Okay, this is a little farm talk, but basically it's a farm question. I need to know, is cabbage still good after it's been through some hard freezes? Got down to about 10 degrees here. Got some big heads, that's bowling ball size right there. Nice heads of cabbage, but I need to know, all my broccoli died and stuff, everything's dead. But cabbage, is it good after a hard freeze? I mean, there's some nice heads here. They seem to be still growing because they weren't this big the other day, a week or two or three or four ago. So somebody tell me that. Somebody answer that for me. Cabbage is good. Are these heads of cabbage good after a too hard freezes? At one point down to 10 degrees out here. Let me know. I need to know whether I should pull them or not. I'm going to pull them. I need to know whether I should bring them in or not. Wife said she'd just bring one in. She'd check it, but I'd rather get your advice first before we both go to all that trouble. Let me know. What do you think? Is it good? Is it not good? I appreciate you. We're gone.